woke up early, the dawn creeping in. Packed my old duffel, a grin on my chin. The highways are crawling, a real sorry sight. So I booked me a plane, gonna take to the skies tonight. Flying for Lobster, I ain't gonna wait. Skipping that traffic, gotta fill up my plate. From Tennessee skies to the Maine coastal shore, for a buttery feast, it's the air I'll explore. The airport was quiet, the plane just for me. A farmer at heart, but today I'm fancy free. Mile after mile over fields and the sea, chasing a craving, this life's poetry.